Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now step 1. Solve the expressions inside the brackets. We have a two set of brackets to simplify first and then second. Now first bracket 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3. So now inside the bracket we must follow Bodmas rule again. So we perform multiplication before addition. First we multiply the digits and after we'll get 9. After we add the digits and it will get 12. So second bracket says 3 plus 3 and after addition we'll get 6. According to this step 1, after solving the brackets, the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 minus 3. So now brackets always take priority to ensure the internal groups are simplified into the single value before interacting with the rest of the equation. So now the second step, perform division. So next we look for the division operation. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 and now the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 2 minus 3. According to this step 2, the Bodmas says division and multiplication are generally performed before addition and subtraction. So now the third step, multiplication, we handle the remaining multiplication and we multiply the digits. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24 and now the expression becomes 24 minus 3. So step 3, we complete the multiplication to find the total product before finally subtracting the last term. So last term is subtraction and we perform the last operation. 24 minus 3 equals to 21. So now this is the final result and according to this expression the final result is 21. And by strictly following the Bodmas hierarchy, we ensure that the multi-steps calculation is performed in a mathematically logic order, leading to the correct unique solution. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.